Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to lose belly fat at home. Let's start with simple, effective habits. Hydration is key. Aim for at least 8 glasses of water daily to support your metabolism and reduce any uncomfortable bloating. Starting your morning with a glass of warm water and lemon can also kickstart your digestion. Furthermore, prioritize getting 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night, as adequate rest significantly impacts your body's ability to manage weight and reduce stress, which often contributes to belly fat. Now, let's talk about smart eating for a flatter tummy. Focus on increasing your intake of lean protein, found in foods like chicken, fish, and lentils, which helps you feel satisfied and supports muscle maintenance. Be sure to include plenty of fiber-rich foods, such as colorful vegetables, fresh fruits, and whole grains, in every meal to aid digestion. Crucially, minimize processed foods, sugary beverages, and unhealthy fats, as these contribute significantly to belly fat accumulation and hinder your progress. Next, let's explore some effective home exercises. Dedicate 10 to 15 minutes daily to core strengthening exercises such as planks, crunches, and bicycle kicks to target your abdominal muscles directly. For a significant calorie burn, try incorporating high-intensity interval training, or HIIT, for 20 minutes 3 times a week. Additionally, a brisk walk for at least 30 minutes on most days of the week will boost your overall fat burning and improve your cardiovascular health, contributing to a leaner midsection. Finally, sustaining your progress requires consistency and a positive mindset. Maintain a regular routine with your healthy eating and exercise habits. Consistency is truly the key to long-term, sustainable results. Incorporate stress-reducing techniques, such as 10 minutes of daily meditation or deep breathing exercises, as stress can impact belly fat. Remember to celebrate your small victories along the way and be patient with yourself. Significant changes take time and dedication, but your efforts will yield lasting benefits.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.